Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Clara here. Before we get started on a flip through and a look at my new digital kit and a new project, I want to share something new I've been working on. Over the years and throughout my life and through journaling and this very channel, I've had a lot of meaningful conversations with people who felt comfortable opening up to me. People talk, they share, and I've always felt very comfortable listening. Lately, I've been thinking about how chaotic the world feels right now to many of us, and how many people are doing some very heavy emotional lifting quietly. Not everyone wants advice, and not everyone wants to burden family or friends. Sometimes you just need a place to talk and be heard. So I've created something called Held, Held. Held is a very simple, private listening space. It's not therapy or counseling, it's just real human conversations. You talk and you're met. There's no fixing, no judgment, and no pressure to be anything. This felt especially right for me because my life is centered at home. Caring for someone I love and working from home is what makes sense for me from now on. Listening has always come very naturally to me, and this allows me to offer that in a way that's sustainable. If this sounds like something you might need, there's a very simple website where you can read more and book a session with me. And if booking online feels like a pain, you're always welcome to email me directly. That's completely fine too. I'll leave the link in the description box below. I just wanted to share it with you in case it's something that might be helpful for you or someone you know, someone who just needs to talk to someone. And that someone obviously is me. Okay, now I have just completed this journal here and I want to show it to you. Let me put this to the side. Firstly, this is a little A6 cute little journal with lace trimmings on the side and nice pink Tilda fabric. It's a soft cover with an open spine. And this charm I just painted, I found some wooden, these wooden figures at the craft shop and I bought them and painted them. And there's a little key here. And this of course comes off, and this little hook is also shaped like a heart. So this, as we're going into the month of February, this is obviously inspired by February and love and all that sort of thing. So we have a key, we have some cute pink and white charm here, and also we have this new digital kit that I have created, which is this one here. Big flowers, lots and lots of pink. I don't know what's happening with me at the moment, but I have so much pink going on in my life. Everything I'm creating is just with pink for some reason, but we'll go with it. I do like pink. It's one of my favorite colors to work with. Anyway, so this is the first page. This is a very, very simple little journal, and it's got plenty of writing space and coffee dyed paper, so a little bit grungy stuff here and there, and my digital kit. This is obviously, you can print it in A4 size or whatever size. I printed it in A5 size and cut them in half. This is also part of a digital kit I created first. So very simple, and it's got it's got butterflies, as you can see, and some of them have hearts. Very simple design. I like it. I love it a lot. I like it. Lace, hearts, of course, more butterflies. And this kit is obviously available in my Etsy shop. if anyone is interested in purchasing it. My mind wandered there. Lovely lace trim, and also this journal obviously is going to be available for sale as well. I really love the pink. Into pink. I think my next digital kit has to be something grungy for sure. I have something in mind. We'll see. We'll see. Actually, there's also a mushroom kit in there as well, a new one. It's also pink. Oh my goodness. And all these flowers are different. They all have some difference to them. This is also part of a kit. I'll link the kits below so you can go straight to them. And if you haven't subscribed and you're watching this, please consider subscribing, liking the video, commenting, all those good things to help with the algorithm apparently. Because if your page, or your, so not your page, rather your video is not interacted with enough, I don't know, it seems to just disappear into the dark web, into the nothingness of the internet. And that's that. So if you're interested, this journal is going to be for sale, and the digital kit is for sale in the shop. And I also have this as well. I'm going to be making cute little book bags. I love this one. This one even has a pocket here. So these are mostly, well, you can obviously put your journal in here. This one does fit very nicely. Thank you very much. In here, you can put your journal in a little cozy little book bag like this. But mostly these are gonna be for the, let me see, the watercolor books that I make, which is this one. Oh, it's this side. So, watercolor book in here, paint brushes and supplies or whatever in there, and off you go. Off you go to paint something from the outside, or just sit in the garden or whatever it is. These are the things that make me feel really good, by the way, and I hope they make others happy too. So soon there'll be others available. Very unfortunate for me, I found out that I'm very allergic to this batting. You know, the thing inside here that makes this thing all nice and cushy soft. My son and I are allergic. I worked with it to make this bag, and suddenly my eyes felt like as if I had sand in them. And our noses were itching, and eyes, and oh my goodness, even my skin was itchy. So then I figured that it was the batting. So I have to use some other material, but they'll be just as cute as this one. So when one thing doesn't work, you gotta think of something else. And that's it for my video. I hope everyone is doing well, and I hope that that everyone is okay. I did get an email from a very special lady, and it was an email that I have to reply to with a lot of care, I would say. It did touch me, and I think that lady might be watching this right now, maybe. And the email touched me, and I was absolutely, to use the same word again, touched that they wrote me all those things in the email. And I'm so happy that you trusted me with all that information, and I am going to reply. And I'm very happy that people reach out I'm happy that people reach out, because sometimes we need to reach out and we don't need to carry heavy burdens on our own. My goodness, today I've spoken a lot. As I always say, I always complain about that, I always yammer on. But I hope my message resonates with someone, and know that you're not alone. Never suffer alone. There are people out here who actually care, even if it could be just a stranger you've never met or someone on the internet or whatever. There are still good humans left in this world, even though sometimes it may not seem so. But they're amazing people. We've been seeing amazing people doing amazing things the last couple of weeks around the world. And I thank those people so much. Have a very great rest of Thursday. It's late afternoon here by me. And thank you so much for watching.